Okay, this talk is called Run Bloggery and the Lash. So, this is the announcement of Enlightened Pearl Organisation Blogging Ironman Competition. So, where's the quote from? The quote comes from Winston Churchill. Winston Churchill was facing questions in Parliament, being asked about gay men in the Royal Navy and whether they should be excluded. And he replied, well, if you were to ask me what are the traditions of the Royal Navy, I would say that they are rum, buggery and the lash. So, taking this as our theme, rum, well, what do Pearl people do? Well, mostly we go out drinking, right? And we sit on IRC, we spend our time IRCing, and you know, sometimes we're IRCing while drinking. And we do a lot of mailing lists, we don't really like web forums because they're all written in fucking PHP. And so we sit and we're emailing while we're drinking, right? But people don't really see that. And anytime you say to somebody in the Pearl community, well, what about marketing? I said this to Selga earlier today, and he went, oh, it's not marketing, it's just raising awareness. Well, that fucking is marketing. Marketing is important. You can call it whatever wishy-washy name you want, but the thing is, when you go up to a Pearl program and you say the word marketing, they act like that you just said lube up and bend over. I'm sorry, marketing is not buggery, but I'll tell you what, if we don't do some fucking marketing, we're buggered. You know, people still see Pearl as capital Pearl, Pearl fucking 4. The thing that you used to write CGI scripts in the dot-com days before the crash. People see Pearl as fucking Legos. I don't even know what that fucking character is on there. This is fucking our language. We are the community. And it lives and dies by our actions, by what we contribute. And contributing code is fucking great. There's shitloads of stuff on CPA. But we need to get the word out there, and the answer to that is blogging. I know it's Web 2.0, it's Wank 2.0, it's bollocks, but it's important, it's visible, people see it, it's indexable, Google finds it. Google does not find your drunken rants on IRC. Be very grateful of that, but you know. It's submittable, you can send it to aggregators, so basically, you know, I dig blogging. However, dig the website, you know, let's submit it somewhere fucking better, right? Reddit.com, Hacker News, wherever, but we need to get the fucking word out there. So, here is the lash, here is the motivation, okay? I failed at blogging before, you know, we all have, we go, oh, I'll start a blog, I posted something, yeah, I posted something else, yeah, I'm going down the fucking pub. And so it all trails off, so we need an incentive. I mean, half the time we don't even fucking try. And when it comes to marketing our language so we get new blood in so people know it's out there, so we can still be using Pearl to make our living and make the money to go down the fucking pub in 10 years' time. This is our responsibility, so we've got to do it. So, Enlightened Pearl Organisation, we are creating a competition. The competition is called Blogging Ironman. And the idea is you blog once a week, every fucking week, every time. Okay, if you want to put things in queue, if you want to be a day late, I don't care. But you've got to get something out there every single week. 10 lines is fine, it doesn't matter, short posts are fine. We are aiming for quantity here. Quality will turn up when we get pissed off because somebody else wrote a better post than us, right? Everybody knows the not a quine is not a quine joke, right? The point is, silly fucking geek trickery. Something that's just clever, 2 lines, a joke, it's fine. Just put something the fuck out there. Make some fucking noise across the blogosphere. Let's drown out the Ruby idiots and the PHP tards. And the fucking guys wearing snakeskin jackets and worshipping fucking white space. We acquired over the past few years shitloads of cool toys. Catalyst, BBIX class, Moots, all of the other really fucking cool things that I've forgotten about because I'm going a little bit quickly here, you know? Tell the world that Pearl 5's alive. If you're one of the Vapor 6 crowd, tell the world it's going to be Christmas soon. So, in order to try and make this more visible, we're going to do badges. The idea is that people can stand up and be counted. You register your RSS feed with the Ironman stuff, and then you get a badge to display on your blog. So just for putting one post up, you are Paperman. And then we're going to grade up through the materials, so 6 months or so of consistent once-a-week blogging, you get to be Ironman, right? Although sadly you don't get the fancy fucking suit and the martini, but we'll work on that, you know. We're going to have a post of the month competition. Got all sorts of people who actually know how to fucking write, unlike me and me, who are going to help judge that and give feedback to people. And there's going to be custom t-shirts for that, one of a kind, done for the each post of the month thing. Any swag we can get hold of, we will quite happily ship out to people as well. And we're going to set a planet up as well for it, so that all of the Ironman blogs that are registered are aggregated together in one place. You can see who's doing what, you can see how the competition's getting on. You can make snarky comments because somebody else only posted 8 lines this week and you got 12. Whatever. And just for a bit of a laugh, there's going to be an extra incentive to this. I'm going to be taking part. I am not eligible to win anything because I'm going to be helping run the bastard thing. But this is part of the reason for Ironman, is to motivate me to get off my fat fucking arse and blog, right? So, if I fail, if other people have managed to keep blogging longer than I have and I fuck up, you will get to pick between you of the people who carried on a talk title and a colour. And I will submit a talk with that title to the FCEU in NA next year. And I will give that talk with my hair dyed that colour. Now, I do reserve the right, if I can't find hair dye of that colour, to wear clothes that are all of that colour instead. Either way, you just pick the colour for the choice being nicely striking. So, if you want to help me make a fool out of myself, and you want to help the Pearl community, get off your asses and get fucking blogging, right? Sign up details for this will be emailed out to the membership along with the other after NPW stuff. So let's smoke up some fucking grassroots. You know half the Pearl community is already working on that, right? And together, by making this effort, by actually making the noise, we are the fucking Ironmen of Pearl. We are the people who are here, the people who've self-selected that we care just by fucking being here. And we should do that, and we should go for it, and we should tell the world about it. Just fucking do it, people. Join me.